Hello dear friends, I'm Dr. Ajit Kumar Patanjia, a USA-educated DDS MS dentist worked abroad previously and a mentor. Like you, I am likewise attempting to learn great English and need to share consistently with you. Today, we will learn valuable single word replacements and expressions. Could it be said that you are prepared? Indeed. How about we begin? A halfway or all-out loss of memory, amnesia. For instance, have you at any point seen any instance of amnesia, in actuality? An individual who gathers or studies stamp, philatelist. For instance, my sister, Rosie is a philatelist. Not able to be seen through, not transparent, opaque. For instance, iron is a opaque item. Giving undue favors to be one's own kith and kin, nepotism. For instance, in Indian cricket nepotism is normal. Government or rule by a little gathering, oligarchy. For instance, China and North Korea are oligarchy nations. A few useful phrases. No strings attached, without conditions or restrictions inferior. For example, 7 days 100% money back guarantee. No strings attached. No ifs and buts, no doubts. For example, Pinky is the most qualified candidate, and there are no ifs and buts about it. Not mince, state your opinion clearly. For example, in yesterday's meeting, Sangeeta didn't mince her words. No dice, used to refuse a request or indicate that there is no chance of success. For example, would you help me in arranging my new house? Sorry, no dice. I have to attend an urgent function. One last thing, create at least one example of given one-word substitutions and phrases. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel if you want to learn good English with me. English with me.